Vicks VapoStick. And try new Vapo Shower Max for steamy Vicks vapors.
This is a test of the
This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. Had this been an actual emergency or dangerous situation, official messages and directions would have followed the alert tones. This test is brought to you by the Florida Division of Emergency Management, the Florida Association of Broadcasters, and your local broadcast station or cable provider. This concludes the required monthly test.
We've seen it a million times. Insurance companies